In this video, I'm going to show you how to create amazing videos like this for completely free using Google VEO. You don't need any subscription, you don't need no credit card, no watermark will be on the video. Everything you're going to do will be completely free. Let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do is to come over to your Google Chrome and search Opal, O-P-A-L. Just search this, and then from the first option here, you can see Google Opal or Opal with google.com. You select on that one. So when you log into Opal, the next thing you just need to do is to click on sign in. From the top here, you can see sign in. You just need to sign in with your Google account. So I'm just going to select on this one. And then you just ensure that you click continue. And then you just select all. You just have to give access to all these things, and then you just click on continue like this. So as you can see here, it has brought me down to my Opal account. So just in case you get a notification that it's not eligible in your country, all you just need to do is to go over to Google and then you search TunnelBear VPN. So you just need to use a VPN for this. When you download TunnelBear, like for me here, I have TunnelBear. If you install the Chrome extension, all you just need to do is to change your location to the US. As you can see here, mine is I'm currently using my country's location, but you can just change it to the US. You need to change it to the US so you can be able to use it. So next up, after doing that, you just come here to your Opal, and you can see build, edit, and share mini AI app using natural language. So all you just need to do is to click on create new. From this option here, click on this, and then it's going to bring you to this option here. So what we're basically doing here is to build an app. You're going to build your own app that you can use to create these videos. So in order to build this app here, you need to use a specific prompt. I'm going to provide a link to that prompt in the description below. So you would have to input that prompt here. So let me go and get my prompt. So this is my prompt here. I'm just going to copy it and paste it back in my Opal. So when I come here, you can see describe what you want to build. So we're just going to paste that prompt here. If you scroll through the prompts, you'll see there's an option to put your name, so you can actually change it to your name. Don't worry, when you get the prompt, you will see it here. So all you just need to do is to click on send here. Yes, so as you can see here, my app is completely set, so I can just proceed to giving it my prompt, and then I'll create my videos. You can do two things here. You can actually bring in your image, and it's you give it a prompt to animate your image, or you can actually give it a prompt to create an entire new video for you. So it just depends on what you want to do. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do the both of them. So first off, you can see this option at the top here. You can see there's an app. Yeah, so you can just easy peasy just click on start, and then you put your prompt here, and this is the editor phase where you can see the rest of the things there. If you see this option here, you can see image upload, animation instruction. This will just show you like a roadmap of how this thing is going to be. So next up, we just go to creating our video. So in order to create my video, I already have my prompt here in ChatGPT. So I just need to do is to come to ChatGPT and ask it to write a prompt for you. So as you can see, I gave it this full description, and then it came up with a couple of story prompts for me here. So all I just need to do is to type it, and then ChatGPT help you write the prompt. So for me, I'm going to use this particular one. You just have to copy this, and then I head back to my Opal. And then I'll just use the app section. So from here, I just click on start. So as you can see here, it says upload your JPG or PNG image. So if you want to do that, you can just put your image here. But first of all, I'll start by just creating a video directly. So I'm just going to hit on this next icon here. And then you can see it says provide details, animation instructions. So this is where I'm going to paste my prompt. And then I'm just going to hit on submit. Then all you just need to do is to wait for it to generate your video. This should take about let's say a few seconds or few minutes. Our video should be there. So as you can see, our video is done generating, and I'm just going to preview it and see what we have. So I'm just going to increase the volume of my video, and then I'll hit on play. So as you can see, this is just two people just came into an elevator and they're just laughing. I don't really know why they're laughing. Anyway, so this is quite good. So what you just need to do is to come to this place here. You see this three hamburger icon, then you click on download and you get it into your PC. For some reasons, this download video here doesn't really work very well. So I will recommend that you use this one here. So I'm just going to go over and generate another one, and let's just see what the second option will look like. So if you want to do that, you see this icon by the right here, you can see reload, or you can just refresh your page. So I'm just going to paste in another of my prompts. So I'll go back to my ChatGPT here, and let's say I'll copy this particular one and I'll try this one and see what it will do for us. Yeah, so our second video is here already, and all we just need to do is to preview this. So let's see what this looks like. This is more like it's supposed to be a rap battle, but I don't know, it's like they are rapping against the baboon. Anyways, you can just modify your prompts in the way that you want it to the way you want it to present your video for you, and it's just going to do better. So here is another video I generated using this same AI tool. Yeah, so the next thing we're going to do is to try the image to video generation. So I'm just going to refresh this, and then we'll click on start. So right here I'm going to drop my image. So I've uploaded my image. The next thing I just need to do is to hit on next. So next up, I'm just going to type in a prompt. I already typed this little prompt for it here. So I just said animate the scene. The guy left says you look beautiful. The lady on the right says thank you. So there's some errors with my prompt, but anyways, just type what you can type and just give it. So our video is done generating. As you can see, we have it here. So let me play this and see what it looks like. Okay, this is actually good, but there's no voice. They're not talking. I can't hear what they're saying. So I guess it's an issue from the prompt. So sometimes you just need to like take your time and craft a better prompt, or you take it to ChatGPT and ask it, oh, write this prompt for me very well. So you can actually come out with a voice for the characters. So I guess this is okay. This is just an image, and as you can see, he actually animated them, you know, movements, even talking, and everything is looking as if this actually happened. So if you go on a date with your girlfriend, you guys just took pictures, you can actually animate it, you get. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys is to create advert videos, and to do that we are going to be using the JSON prompt. So when you head over to ChatGPT, there are actually two things you can do. You can actually copy one of your prompts like this, and then let's say I copy this one, and I'll just say I'll paste it to the chat, and then from the top here I'll just say you just say convert this to JSON prompt, and then if you send it over, it's going to generate a JSON prompt for you. So as you can see, it's generating this. So all you just need to do is to copy this and take it back to your Opal app, and then you can use it to generate your video. So the next way to do this is to go over to GPTs. So on GPTs here, all you just need to do is to search JSON. So from here you see different options. There are different JSON prompts here, but for me, I feel this first one is better. This is the one I've tried and it have worked well for me, so I would recommend that you use this one as well. So all you just need to do is to click on start chat. So all you just need to do is to tell it the kind of video you want it to give you a prompt for. So for me, I'm just going to say an advert video for, let's say, Mattel. Yeah, let me just give it this one and see. So as you can see, it's generating a prompt for us. Yeah, our prompt is moving. So I just do see this option here, just click on copy, and then I'll go back to my Opal app. I'll refresh this, start this, hit on next, and then I'll paste my prompt here. So the next thing, I'm just going to send it over and see what we will have. So our video is done generating, so I'm just going to play it so we can see what it looks like. Wow, as you can see, this is actually nice. The sound, the picture quality, and everything is going very smooth. Though there's just one error I observed. As you can see, he opened the bottle and you can't really see his hands here. Like the cover of the drink was not, I don't know where he went to, but then you can still regenerate the video and then till you get something that is perfect. So that is why this is AI, so you need to like modify it to get what you want. These are some other videos I created using this same method. So that will be all for this video. All you just need to do is to get the prompts I use in the description below. If you join my Telegram channel, I'll be dropping all the prompts there. So thank you for watching the video. Ensure you try this and drop a comment and like the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be providing more videos on graphic design, AI, and tech. See you in the next one.